am going to start by taking this ribbon and I'm going to sew it tight. I like the black. I think it will be really good to contrast the lighter beads. And so I'm going to use this ribbon, but just this side. And I will sew it on here tightly. So that way that should help it keep its tension without it getting loose if I sew it on with a sewing machine. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now that I have my ribbon sewn on and it's nice and tight, I'm going to go ahead and take my beads and glue them onto the ribbon with a hot glue gun. Now that I have my beads glued on, I'm going to take my florals and arrange them into my bead vase. Now I'm going to add some strings so that way I can hang it. I am going to start by taking my twine and attaching it to one of the sides of my wreath. Make sure I get it on there nice and tight. And then I'm just going to take my twine and begin wrapping it around the hoop several times. And I want to make sure I have some good tension because this is where the flowers will go, so you want it tight. So I'm going to do this several times until I get as much twine as I want on there. Now that the twine is wrapped around the hoop, I'm going to take these florals that I have, some fake florals, and I'm just going to weave them in and out between the different strands. And here is my finished wreath. I think it turned out really cute. It was really fun and really simple, and I can change out the florals. I don't have to leave these ones in, and I just think it's fun. So let me know in the comments below which of these wreaths you think you might try, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
Like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.